How to fix low volume alarm sound on Android. Hello everybody, in order to fix that you may follow up the simple steps. So you may go ahead and directly navigate to your clock application from where you set an alarm sound. Basically in Samsung phone you can directly follow up the steps, open up the clock app, and then once you open up clock app you may head over to one of the alarms, in which, for example, let's head over to this one right here. Once you head over to this sound right here, we have this option of alarm sound right here with the toggle option. You may go ahead and tap an alarm sound. And then once you tap an alarm sound, all you gotta do is, if you right in the bottom, you should be finding a volume option. So what you're gonna do is, if the alarm is quiet, you can just go ahead and adjust the volume settings by making it to the very last section so that the volume becomes very big for you, and if it is on low it can become high, and it can just go ahead and fix your alarm volume on your Android device. Apart from that, we have this vibration option also. If alarm sound does not wake you up, you can turn on this vibration mode so that you can get more alerted easily compared to the only alarm sound option available. And that is it. You can follow up this method. Otherwise, if the issue persists, you can just go ahead and try restarting your application, your phone app as well, and see that. So you can follow up this method in order to fix your low volume alarm sound on your Android device very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.